Hey everyone. So I'm your teacher for college algebra 1414.018, and I want to do a little orientation to our class and what it looks like online. So here's our module. I just now posted it, so it should show up if you go to your dashboard in Canvas. And the address is alamo.infrastructure.com. So you get there through Alex. It's kind of, anyway. So this is the landing page for our course, and here's the student view. So you notice at the top of the page, there are some quick links. One is to the orientation module. That's the first thing that y'all will do. Then there are class notes, so you don't have to go through everything to get to the class notes. And then module 1 is for exam 1, module 2, exam 2, and module 3, exam 3. So here we have some more quick links: the course syllabus, the schedule, tech support, our personal Q&A. So any questions that you have about anything for our class, and course materials. And then some links here about how to sign up for the materials that you need for our class. And if you notice, there's a little blurb about me, and I'm going to click on Getting Started. This is our orientation module. There are links for you to check out this course syllabus. Let's just see what happens if I press that. Then I need to press Start Your Session. And there's our syllabus. So you can page through that anytime you want. To go back, I have to use this left bar, the white and blue bar, and I'm going to click on Home. And again, Get Started. And this time I'm not going to choose course syllabus, but I know how to get there. And this is a little information for our homework. I want you to write out the work no matter what platform you're using. So even if you're doing online homework, I still want you to write it out, show the steps, get used to doing neat mathematics. Here's my email address and my cell number, and I assume, and really, you need to have a laptop or a computer and access to the internet for our class, for all of your classes. If you do not have a laptop, you can rent one for free from SAC, and here's this link to do that. If you do not have internet, here is inexpensive internet, and if you can't afford that, contact me and I'll help you. So that's there, and then so we've got welcome to our class. Yay. There we go. Next, course information. Here are our student learning outcomes. So we have 5 student learning outcomes, and this will show you for different periods of the class meetings where we're covering, what material we're covering. Here is how you get our textbooks and also the homework connection. So Connect Math, you click on Sign Up Now, you enter this code LCGUL blah, 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 and then you'll end up with these folders and a pre-calculus text. There's also Desmos, and you'll use this code to sign up for Desmos, and we'll also have access to this free algebra textbook online from OpenStax. Here's our course schedule. And as we continue in our class, there will be links in here to the various assignments. There's some stuff about me, places I've lived, and some pictures I like, and my office hours. And I also have office hours printed on the next page. And if you need to reach me, but you don't want to come to campus, just let me know and I'll hop on the computer and I'll use this link. For our class, The assignments will be 20%, attendance and participation 20%, quizzes 20%, and exams 30%. 3 exams, 10 each. So, and I think that I need to adjust so that our assignments will be 30%. So I'll fix that before y'all see this. Then student responsibilities. Here are the student expectations. And I do want you to read through this because this is for our class. Some of this stuff is general for school, but this is for our class. So there will be material that I'll expect you to cover before you come into class. And then there are things that I promised that I will do so that you have a good experience. Some more general student expectations. A little blurb about privacy, because not your privacy necessarily, but those of your peers. You need to trust one another not to share. Student code of conduct. And then some stuff about Canvas. What is Canvas? It's all right here. And then a page on, if you want to learn more about Canvas, here are some tutorials. Online information. So communicating online, netiquette, and discussion netiquette. Just good things to know about how you should conduct yourself when you're doing any online work in school. Then some good student resources, things for the classroom. Here's this link I was telling you about for borrowing a computer for free. There's low-cost internet for your home, and if you have problems with that, just contact me, please. Then some disability services, academic support services, tutoring, and the library. Then living resources, I just put living because it's everything else that you do in your life besides school. So if you need any kind of assistance, emergency aid, housing, student services, all different kinds of things are available. Tutoring services, we're getting more and more back to face-to-face, but there are still some virtual tutoring if you want to do that. Tech support, this is especially if you're having trouble with Canvas or something to do with school. All of the various colleges' help desks. So the one you want to write down is 210-486-0777. That is us. Here are all the 5 colleges, pages that show you loads of information for each college. And then we've got activities that I want you to do now that you've seen all of these pages. This first one is a 2-week discussion board. For week 1, I just want you to introduce yourself. Don't respond to anybody. Then week 2, respond to 4 or 5 other students. That way, everybody's intro will be posted and you can respond to lots of different students and maybe have a conversation. Update your Canvas profile so that your photo is there and little information about yourself. An academic integrity statement. So for this one, you start the assignment and you're just going to sign it, that you agree to these things. Then there's actually a really wonderful video about predicting your success and grit that I want you to watch and respond. An orientation quiz that you must get 100% on in order to do any of the future work in our class. And again, I wanted to put the course materials here because I want everyone to be signed up for everything before the class starts. And then here's the wrap up. I just want you to be able to go through here and say, yes, I've seen the syllabus. I've done the course tour, which is this video you're watching right now. I've paged through all the information pages. and I've done these various different parts of the orientation activity. The key one for continuing on with the other material is that you've scored 100% on the orientation quiz. If I press next now, I'll go to the class notes and other resources. If I press next after that, I'll go to the question and answer board for our class. And then we'll come to, oh, it's not showing me because I haven't done the prerequisite. So this is our first assignment, and it's telling me that I need to take the orientation quiz. I need to score 15 points on it out of 15, and then it will show me this first assignment. So I go back to modules. I can always access this little strip on the left here. Then the orientation module is this first whole thing. Let's collapse that. Then we've got class notes, question and answer, and then we've got the material in our course, modules 1, 2, and 3. And they're grayed out because I have not taken the orientation quiz yet. Well, I hope that answers some of your questions. Now, before we hang up, please text me. It's 210-861-9934. Tell me your name and 1414.018, your birthday with the year, and just something about you. All right, can't wait to see you. Bye.